Source: Jeremy Johnson, Android Central. Even though the main Marvel storyline has ended, that doesn't mean that future pop culture movies won't arrive that you can't see opening night but don't want spoiled for you. Telegram recently added an extremely convenient feature that allows you, and more importantly, others to use spoiler formatting when sending a message. It's quite a bit easier than you might expect to enable, and we're going to walk you through how to use it. How to use spoiler formatting in Telegram to avoid ruining surprises in your chats. Open the Telegram app on your phone. Select or create a chat. Type out the message that you want to send. Long press on the text in the message box. Source: Android Central. Highlight the text in the app that you want to format. Select spoiler from the list. Send the message. Source: Android Central. If you see the selected text blurred out, it will confirm that you appropriately applied the spoiler formatting in Telegram. The blurring will remain indefinitely. After you send the message, anyone who wants to see the spoiler can simply tap on the spoiler to reveal it. Spoiler tagging is just one way that Telegram continues to improve as one of the best messaging apps out there. Now you can gossip about the latest Star Wars TV shows on Disney, but keep it blurred so that you don't accidentally spoil the experience for your friends. Getting even better. Telegram, the best messaging app, gains a helpful feature. Telegram is already considered one of the best alternative messaging apps out there, and it has a lot more going for it than just being available across multiple platforms. The developers continue to add new and useful features to improve and enhance the experience, enticing more users to sign up. View at Amazon. View at Amazon. View at Udemy. We may earn a commission for purchases using our links. Learn more. WHO needs a wallet. Put your wallet away and pay with your Wear OS watch instead. Ready to start paying for your coffee with only your smartwatch? Here are all the Wear OS watches that support Google Pay. Text me back. Improve and enhance your text messaging threads with these apps. Text messaging is a core component of a mobile phone's functionality. Android is blessed with many different apps to handle text messages for you, but as with any category of app, these are the best of the best to text your bestie with. Let's get physical. Break a sweat with these great Oculus Quest 2 exercise games and apps. Do you prefer your workouts to challenge your full body? Do you care more about aerobics or muscle training? Do you need a high-speed soundtrack or a high score to motivate you? Or do you want a game first and foremost, with exercise as a happy bonus? Whatever your preferences, we have the best Oculus Quest 2 VR. Experience us to keep you healthy while staying indoors.